Hey everyone! What's up? Today on the Vela channel, I'll show you how to create a new Epic Games account. Open any browser and wait while it loads. There we go. Go to any browser and type in Epic Games. Just like that. Simple as that. Go to the website. Yes, I'm already logged in here. Let's do it now. Alright, click the Sign In button in the top right corner. There, and here we click Create Account. Click Yes or No here. Select your date of birth and enter it. Enter your email address here, like this one. Enter your first name, last name, and create a password. Then go ahead and click Continue. So this one is registered, and this one might not be registered. Same thing. Anyone works. Then you'll receive a code, and after entering it, your account is successfully created. In the launcher, just click on your account, hit Sign Out, and sign in with the new account. That's it. It's been Veller with you. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and follow on Twitter or GX. The link is in the channel description. Take care everyone. Good luck. See ya.